Good day, sir. My name is Justin M. Fulgencio ng BSBA Block B, first year, and this is my video about my midterm exam. Discuss art as humanistic discipline. Art as humanistic discipline explores and celebrates the human experiences, values, and achievements. It emphasizes human creativity and expressions, reflecting the cultural, social, and personal aspects of life. It means to understand and interpret the world through uniquely human perspectives. What is the perspective of humanities in Western civilizations or different periods in history? The perspectives of humanities in Western civilization varies across the historical periods, focusing on the human values, reasons, and individualism during the Renaissance period, shifting to border, social, and political concerns in the Enlightenment, and embracing the diverse cultural expressions in contemporary times. Discuss the humanities and the Filipino personhood according to Prospero Cobar. Prospero Cobar views Filipino personhood through the lens of humanities by looking at the Filipino identity, values, and experiences. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of the individual within the community and importance of cultural heritage in shaping the personal identity. Discuss the process of art appreciation. Art appreciation involves understanding artworks through the physiological and psychological lenses, considering the elements like perceptions, emotions, and context to arrive at the personal interpretation of reality and artistic values. It's a process of engaging within art using your senses, intellect, and awareness of the artist's backgrounds to form the meaningful connections. What is imitationism according to philosophical thinking of Plato, and how is it related to the study of arts? According to Plato, imitationism is the idea that art is merely a copy of reality and is thus inferior because it is twice removed from the true forms. It is related to the study of arts because it raises the questions about the values and purpose of artistic representation.